but then you have to do that little period pass on them, and then be like, oh, you can go. Like, yeah, that's what I thought. Hey Finnies and Finnies._cool back with another video. As you can tell by the title, I'll be doing a back to school emergency kit because we're girls and we gotta stay ready at any time for anything. So, you know, as ladies, we gotta stay looking good, stay smelling good. And yes, I'm going to 9th grade. I'm a freshman, sadly. So this kit is to survive high school and middle school. This kit will most definitely come in handy. So yeah, make sure you make one. But anyways, before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click bell to be notified when I post. And further ado, let's just get started. This is my bag. Not too fancy, not too big, not too small. Don't matter if your bag is big or small, don't matter what color. Make sure it's not see-through though, because boys are nosy as freak and girls are too. I don't know why. No matter where you get your bag from, just get you any type of little bag like mine. Let's just open it and get started. First thing that I'll be showing y'all what's in my emergency kit is deodorant. Make sure you have a backup in your kit. So in middle school, you're gonna need 2 years of gym. In high school, I don't know, but I know in middle school you're gonna need that. So make sure you have some deodorant just in case you need to freshen up. You don't need to ask any of your friends for their deodorant because that's nasty. You don't know what they have. They might give you a Ryzen or something. If you don't know what a Ryzen is, it's a bump under your arm that you get from using other people's deodorant or somebody using your deodorant. So just make sure you have your own deodorant. Or it might be hot outside, your armpits are sweating. Next thing is some band-aids or a first aid kit. If you don't have a first aid kit, then get you some band-aids. Some nurses, they don't be in the room most of the time, and teachers, they don't let you go to the nurse all the time because they be tripping and they be thinking you trying to skip class when down the side. Y'all know, y'all girls, y'all nails be like bleeding sometimes and be coming off, so you have to put your band-aid on. So not to deal with none of them teachers or nurses, just pack your own first aid kit or your band-aids. Next, I recommend is to bring some ibuprofen. Don't matter what type of pain pills it is. Don't have to be ibuprofen. It don't have to be a big bottle like this. You could get a little travel size. If you do have a big bottle like this, just get a little bit and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your kit. You will need this if you're having period cramps, if you have a headache, or just not feeling good. I know sometimes when I'm not feeling good, I do come home and pick me up, but most of the time you need to stay in school, so do pack you some pain pills or medicine. Next, I have some Q-tips because my headphones do get dirty and I don't need folks seeing my headphones dirty at all. They don't need to see that. So I got me some Q-tips so I could clean them or to clean my ears. Now I got is a lint roller. Reason why I got this baby, just in case you have some lint on your clothes, like if you have black clothes, you need to get it off, or if you have a dog, cat, or whatever and their hair is all over you, this gonna come in handy to get that off of you, because I had a dog in 6th grade and his hair was all over me and this came in handy. Our generation love to block out people, and I'm them people. Don't want to be bothered, so headphones are gonna be your best friend too. I know some schools don't allow phones, but if your school do allow phones, then listen to music. I know some teachers, they let their kids listen to music doing their work or when they're done. If your teacher do allow that, remember to bring your headphones, because a lot of times my teacher will let us and I forgot to bring my headphones. So just make sure you have these before leaving the house. Also, if you have an iPhone 7, 8, whatever, bring these. I bought this off of eBay. This is the part for the charger and this part for the headphones, because I have iPhone 6 headphones. But if you have iPhone 7, 8, this will come in handy. I have a iPhone 8. Now ladies, this is what you really need. You never know when a friend will ask for one, or if your friend is just gonna come for a surprise, and I hate that. She just come unsuspected. And so you just need to make sure you have some of these, like 3 to 5 of these, or if you wear tampons, pack you some tampons too. Sometimes when I didn't have these, I would go to the nurse and ask my nurses for some. I would just be like, my period is on, can I get a pad? And they'd be like, yeah, just go in the cabinet. So if your nurse is like that, then you're good, you're okay. Also, pack you some underwears, because you never know if you have a period emergency kit. I'm not going to show y'all deep inside my underwears. That's a little too personal. Have a little leakage problem. Your pad might be slipping and sliding, so blood will tend to get onto the panties. So pack you some. And also, okay, also bring you some wipes because you never know when your best friend is just gonna come unexpectedly, like I said. But school tissues are rough on our little goodie, and we don't need none of that. We need some wipes so we can get everything, because school tissue don't get everything. If you're having a bad hair day at school, forgot to do your edges, and just your hair rubber band is popping all the time, I recommend to bring you some headbands and to bring you some hair ties, because I always went to school with my natural hair out and my edges. I'll do them in the morning, but then in the afternoon they just like back curly. Being natural, you have to deal with that. So sometimes I will have headband in my bag and put it on, and then my hair ties will always break, so I had to ask my teachers for rubber bands, but not to worry about that. Bring you some hair ties. Ladies, if you wear your natural hair to school, or if you're wearing a lace, it don't matter if just some edges are out. I know I deal with it. In the morning I do my edges, then when I get to school they be up. So this will come in handy. I know my brush is dirty, don't come for me, especially if that lace is lifting. You could just fix some baby hairs and make it look like it's not lifting at all, and then you're good. This is a part of having a bad hair day too. It's okay to bring your hair products to school and doing your hair at school, like before going to your class, or do it during. Bring your comb and bring your brush. Y'all probably like, this not no comb. If you're natural, you understand what this is, and y'all just bring you a hard brush. You can just swoop it all up, so you don't have to use a friend's brush because you don't know, or comb because you don't know, they might have lice or something. We not doing all that. The next thing y'all want is a person in your face with a stink behind breath. I don't like that. Bring you some gum to school, just pop some in your mouth, and then you will be. If your school don't allow gum, then bring you your toothbrush and your toothpaste. It don't have to be a big kind like this. You can bring you a travel size. Just brush your teeth before going to school if you're rushing and forget to brush your teeth, or just buy you a travel size mouthwash. Just goggle it and then spit it out, and don't have to worry about nobody saying your breath stink, because like me, my face special gonna say it all, and I'm sorry. Ladies, if you wear lashes like me, yes ma'am, bring your tweezers and glue in your emergency kit, because you never know, these lashes might be slipping, sliding, gliding, coming off. You never know. Go to the bathroom or whatever and just fix them. And if you have nails like me and your nails don't do the job, just get your tweezers and put them on, and then you'll be okay for the day. And then get your top of glue. Don't come for my glue either. I know I had this glue for like a year and it's still working good. Or get you some hair glue, it worked good too. Bringing these will save your day. Next is lip gloss, chapstick, lip balm, whatever. Just make sure them lips are not chapped. Make sure they're moisturized. I did have some lip balm. I don't know where it's at. I've been looking for it. I don't know. But anyways, I just have my lip gloss. I can't leave the crib without my lip gloss. And also, when you have your lip gloss, make sure it's in your kit, not on the side of your back. Next, what I have in my kit is some lotion. Make sure you keep some lotion on you. If you see some ashy people and just be like, here baby, I got some lotion for you. And yes, I'm them ashy people. I be coming to school with ashy sometimes. I be ashy around my ankle. I be forgetting to lotion up my ankle sometimes. So don't come for me. Up is some perfume. It don't have to be a big bottle like this. And make sure you have you a top like this so it don't spill in your bag. But yeah, you don't have to get a big size like this. Get you a little travel size like body mist, body spray. But y'all, this smells so good. This is Chasing the Sunset. You know, at the gym you might be got that little scent to you. Might need to freshen up a bit. If you got asthma like me, make sure you have your pump on you all the time, because I used to have asthma attacks all the time. I never had an asthma attack in middle school, but I did have a couple in elementary. But if you have asthma like me, make sure you got your pump on you all the time. That's what's all in my emergency kit. If I did forget anything, let me know down below, or what I should add to mine. Also, comment down below some video ideas that y'all want me to do. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this is helpful for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified when I post. And I will be back up in these, so I just want to say I'll see y'all next time.